Hey guys, this is a quick review of this clamp on for desk. Okay, so I have it here for my UPS. You can use for your computers, but I don't have a computer under the desk, so I'm just using for my UPS. It works pretty good. You see here that I can keep everything organized under my desk. So I have cable management as well. If you take a look then from here, you see that my desk is pretty organized. You don't see the cables. And I'm using this desk for video reviews. And as you can see here, I have the clamp on. I'm not using the port with the USB. You can have the USB device just right here, right? I'm not using it because I don't need it. I don't have a computer down there. I have just my UPS, but works pretty fine and it keeps everything here nice and clean, all right? So I like this one. I highly recommend it. You can get yours on Amazon.